the Outsunny 80-quart rolling ice chest portable patio party drink cooler cart. If you are looking for the best stainless steel cooler with wheels, then take a look at the Outsunny 80-quart rolling ice chest portable patio party drink cooler cart. This cooler has been designed to provide a cart-like performance similar to a wheeled cooler, ensuring that it can be rolled from one location to another with ease. Handles located on both sides of the cooler box also make it easy to carry the cart where wheels are not an appropriate option. The durable steel frame ensures the cooler looks great no matter your current decor, but also performs well under different situations and conditions. The cooler has been built to provide the user with years of performance. For added convenience, a bottle opener is built onto the side of the container together with a department that catches the bottle caps.